Alright guys, so I'm doing this video about hotkeys. A lot of you guys have been asking me how I get in and out of trades. So I'm doing this video to show you guys exactly how I set up my hotkeys and why it's very, very important and crucial to use hotkeys when you're day trading. The advantages obviously of hotkeys are that you can get in trades really quickly, and most importantly get out of trades when they're not going well or against you. So I'm going to show you guys my setup. This is the DAS platform short trader, and this is the broker I'm using just to grow a small account challenge, as many of you guys know. So I'm going to show you exactly my setup. Let's get straight into it. So I go on the settings, setup, the hotkey configuration, and I mainly use hotkeys for selling. So I'm a long bias trader, and this is my setup. I have hotkeys basically to sell on the bid, on the ask, and to sell also half of my position on the ask, and to bail out of a position if it's not going well, meaning selling on the bid, and obviously cancelling orders as well. You can also set your hotkeys to buy shares, but I normally have all my shares. In terms of when I buy a stock, I'm already prepared. I've got my risk under control, so I know exactly my entries, and I just basically buy the stocks manually using the montage right in here. So I just have my template set as 1,000 shares minimum. A limit order, I always use limit orders, guys. And yeah, basically just type in the share size and here the price, the share size is here, and I buy, and that's it. Simple as that. So I'm gonna show you guys the hotkeys I use. So start off, I sell on the ask. As you can see, my hotkey is Control A. Basically this is selling my whole position on the ask price on the level 2. As you can see, the route is limit, price is ask, share size the whole position, account, day plus, and sell and send into the market. So I'm going to explain to you what this means. I also have a hotkeys that I sell half of my position on the ask, which I've got it set out as Control Q, as you can see here. So the route is a limit, same as this one. Price asked, share is position times 0.5, so half of the position. For example, if I'm buying 1,000 shares, I will sell 500 shares on the ask and leave the remaining 500 running. It all depends on you and how you feel. If you want to get rid of the whole position or half to lock in some profits, it's entirely up to you guys. Everything else is the same, day plus, sell and send into the market. This is basically the panic button, the command. Basically, if I get into a stock and it doesn't do exactly what I want it to do, I bail out. So my hotkey is Control Z, and simple as that. You just sell on the bids instantly, just like that, rather than doing it manually, getting slippage. I just have to say it's really crucial to be able to use hotkeys, guys. Some of your brokers might not allow you, but I think most brokers do. Lightspeed, Speed Trader, they have their own platform. Speed Trader uses also DAS platform, so it'll be the same as this. Short Trader also. I think Interactive Brokers also use DAS Trader. I'm not too sure. And I also use the escape button, which is down here. So basically, any pending orders, literally just get cancelled instantly. If I don't get filled, I just tap the escape button, and they get cancelled. So I'm going to show you guys how to build this command. So I'm just going to click on edit so I can show you guys how I've built it. This is the hotkey script. So you'd put a name whatever you want it to be and choose a hotkey. I can reset this obviously, and I click on order script wizard. So how I've set this up, this is the selling on the ask hotkey, sell, Control A. I click on sell. Obviously, we're going to be selling position. You can choose position, half of your position, or you can click quarter of your position, depends what you want to do. Symbol stays blank. The price is always the ask, not the bid. I've also got hotkeys to sell on the bid. And the account, the route is limit, day plus. And this is the difference what I was talking about between the modes. So you can just load up your order without sending it into the market. And once you load it, you can just hit the enter button, and then your order will be sent into the market. I've got it as an instant load and send into the market. So as soon as I press Control A, instantly my order goes out into the market to sell on the ask, my whole position. This is my hotkey for the whole position. And that's it, guys. I just literally build script, and the script gets built, and you click commit, and it will pop up on here. So you'd click on add a new item. You'd click, for example, sell on the bid. The hotkey could be, Shift 1, or because this is already used, I can, for example, have Control B. You'd go on order script wizard, and this will be selling on the bid. So it depends on your position, if you want to sell half, entire position, or literally you can do times 0.25, so quarter of your position. And the price would be the the bid. There we go, because I'm selling on the bid. Count, the route is always limit, never use stop or market orders. I'll explain to you in a second why. Time of day, TIF is day plus. Mode, again, load and send, which I always use. This just stays blank. Click build script, and as you can see, it's already added on here. Click commit, and you'll go on here, and that's it, guys. I'm going to cancel this because I don't need it. And that's it, guys. This is literally it. I use only basically hotkeys, just selling on the ask mainly. I don't use hotkeys to buy. These are the default ones that are already on Short Trader on the DATS platform, which I don't really use. And I'll explain to you guys why it's so crucial to use hotkeys, and rather than doing it manually. Some of the stocks that we trade, day trading, are really volatile, guys, yeah. And this was one of them on Friday, which I traded and made a good profit on it. Basically, like, you can get caught out. Some beginner traders are like to chase stocks, and it's really crucial to know your entries and to know when to get in on a stock and out, and to just minimize risk, guys. So, for example, just use this as an example. You end up buying up here, guys, yeah, and all of a sudden the stock starts to turn around quickly, yeah, from 340 up to 3. That's 40 cents loss. Most traders will do this manually and try and sell using this. By the time you put in the price, by the time you put in your price, by the time you buy it back, it depends how you got to set up limit order. By the time you change the share size, the stock will actually be down maybe 20-30 cents. You're too late doing this manually by the time you do it. I've had this experience as a beginner trader. That's why I'm trying to help you guys. It's so crucial. So as soon as, for example, if I bought here, which will never be the case, but just say I bought here and all of a sudden it starts to drop, I tap Control Z, straight away I'm out on the bid instantly, rather than filling out a montage box and what price I want to get out. Send the order. By the time I get filled, it's too late, guys, and then we end up getting even more slippage, which is just terrible. And these stocks that we trade have mostly low floats, so they are really volatile and dangerous. That's why you got to use hotkeys, guys. So hopefully this video is very informative. Hopefully you guys learn a lot from it. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask me. I'd love to help you guys. Apart from that, trade safe. If you haven't subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I upload daily content of my daily recap videos and much more. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this was really beneficial. If you got any questions, again, feel free to message me. Thank you, guys.